outside.
On our way to the gate. Our flight is leaving at 8:25 tonight. We're at Orlando International Airport. And we're heading to London. Gatwick Airport. Our arrival should be around 10 in the morning, I think. 10:30 arrival. So, we'll check back in with you later. Who does this?
James Hype, bitch.
Where's my curlers? Let's go.
And commence our approach to land towards the western Gatwick this morning, runway 26 left. Ladies weather down there, fairly pleasant morning, but southerly breeze, a little bit of broken cloud.
You blocking me, bro.
Yeah! Let's go. He's pulling the drinks over there. PJ's almost ready.
We ready.
She don't need the whole thing. She needs like a pen.
Good morning. It's time for the show. Fam is ready. Stereotype.
Guess who sells tickets?
James Hype.
Who would have thought?
He does though. But you know, James Hype don't sell no tickets. He don't sell no tickets. Perlers for today. TITA Lau. Rewired. Let's do it. Luna! Alright guys, time to go. The Ray fam leaves the Airbnb. Stereotype.
Good morning, London, bro.
We outside.
It's like coming to America backwards.
You know, I have my glasses. Everybody got glasses. That's essential. What's the essentials you bring when you go? Glasses. A fan.
Earplugs.
Earplugs. Oh, yeah, I think PJ got the
Bevy.
earplugs. Bevies.
And little trinkets.
Hand sanitizer?
Hand sanitizer.
That one.
Yes.
What else?
Yes.
Good vibes.
Oh, you beat me to it.
We did it. This
Go on.
insert Spider-Man meme.
What? Did we just become best friends? Yep.
Cheers. All right, it's time to go do this. Who does this?
Buenas vibras.
We out.
Here.
Hello, friends. We made it to Drumsheds.
Yeah,
Luna,
let's go.
PJ, Xavier. He left us. He's probably gonna go get him a crispy. T-gang. Let's go.
Rewind into the place.
Fire in the chat. Fire in the chat. It's time, y'all. Let's do it.
Let's go.
all them non-believers are now going to believe.
James Hype, James Hype, James Hype.
If I told you once, I told you twice. You can see it in my eyes. I'm all cried out with nothing to say. If I told you once, I told you twice. You can see it in my eyes. If I told you once, I told you twice. One more time.
I love you, London. I'll be back.